Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this banana and yogurt cake. It's delicious, light yet fulfilling, and mainly, it's super easy to make. So let's get started! Start by making the base for the cake. For this, take your favorite cookie dough, homemade or store-bought. Both is good, but the store-bought one is going to make things much quicker and easier. Tear the dough into pieces and push it to the bottom of a cake pan that has been lined with a baking paper, and bake according to the instructions. Meanwhile the base is in the oven, let's make a filling by combining a cold and chilled pudding, 350 grams of white yogurt, and 200 grams of sour cream in a bowl, and mix that really well together with a hand mixer. Once the base is baked and cool, brush on some milk and let it soak so that it softens up, and you're ready to start assembling the cake. Put on a thin layer of the filling first and then add chopped banana on top and repeat the layers so that you end up with the filling being the last layer. Dust that with some sweetened cocoa and put into fridge for a while, and you're done. Now you just cut yourself a slice and enjoy! Thanks for watching!